guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am doing a review on the Tailored Beauty products. You probably have seen this brand on Instagram and all over social media. It is a black owned brand and I'm very excited about trying out her products. So I have actually 3 main products and then I have samples of 2 of the products, but I'll be using the everything butter and the curling jelly to do my wash and go today. So I'm pretty excited about that. So my hair is it's not dirty, so I'm not gonna deep condition it. I did just deep condition I think Thursday night. So I'm not really gonna deep condition right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and just wash and condition my hair. I actually did a wash and go like for the weekend because my perm rod set or whatever did not come out. Well, it came out nice, but the weather really like frizzed my hair up. It was just so crazy, but it was cute. So I just wanted to do a wash and go, and I did the wash and go and I liked it. And if y'all can see, like, look at that. I have product buildup in my hair. And honestly, it's my fault because I overdid it. There's, you know, you find out what products work and what products don't work together. So I actually found that out and I know what I'm not gonna be using anymore together. But yeah, it happens. So I'm gonna go wash my hair with the shampoo and conditioner, and then I'll be right back to let you guys know what I thought about it and how it feels on my hair. Okay, so I parted my hair in 5 sections just so I can get a good use out of the sample pack of the shampoo and the conditioner. Shampoo was amazing. It felt great on my hair. My hair was not stripped, and yeah, it was great. It was really moisturizing as I was shampooing my hair, so definitely did not strip my hair. I liked it. The shampoo was good. Of course, you know, the sample packets, it wasn't enough, and it does say on the back to part your hair in 4 sections and apply a dime size amount, but you know, we all don't use dime size amounts, you know, so I wish I had more, but I did use a dime size amount this time. But yeah, so for the shampoo, it says that it's packed with coconut oil, aloe vera juice, and improves hair's natural shine. It leaves your hair silky, shiny, and clean. My hair definitely feels clean. I don't think I've had a shampoo, an actual shampoo that left my hair like clean, feeling clean. This definitely made my hair feel like it was clean. So all of the dirt and just everything that kind of flew in my hair, and even the product buildup that I had before, is definitely, you know, washed out. So that's amazing. And then as far as the conditioner, it's conditioner with mango butter. But the conditioner, it says to let it sit for 10 minutes for your best results. It's infused with coconut oil, mango butter, olive oil to give your hair the ultimate moisturizing treatment. And it's great for wash days or co-washing. So yeah, that's those two. I'm very happy with with the shampoo and the conditioner. And I look forward to actually purchasing these both in the full size, of course, because I will need it. And when I usually purchase products, I don't usually get the shampoo and conditioner because I'm not big on shampoos and conditioners, but these two are definitely two products that I would need in my wash and goes because I like how I left my hair feeling, and it wasn't stripped, it didn't feel dry, it smells good, and it really made detangling my hair much easier than other products. So yep, I like these two. So I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna wash it out, and then we're gonna move on to our styling products. Okay, so we're all shampooed and conditioned. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our styling products. So the first product I'm gonna be using is the Tailored Moisture Mist Spray. And this is an amazing moisturizer. All you do is like spray it on your hair, and it's just the right amount. So I guess you would not really go through this product or this bottle as fast as you use other leave-in conditioners, because I feel like I kind of used it, or overused it I should say, and I still have a good amount left in the bottle. So I love that about the moisturizing mist spray. So now we're going to be using our Tailored Everything Butter. This butter you can use on your skin and your hair. I use this on me and my son's skin, and it just leaves our skin nice and smooth, and we smell amazing. So definitely, if you all love shea butter, I would recommend you all go out and purchase this from Tailored Beauty. So now we're going to move on to using the Tailored Perfect Coils Curling Jelly. I love this gel so much. It doesn't leave my hair crunchy or hard. It actually goes on smooth and leaves my curls very soft and defined. So this is the perfect name for this product. The only con I would have is that it's an 8-ounce jar, so it's not a lot of gel. So especially if you have thicker hair like mine, it takes a lot for your curls to be defined. So I will probably have one more use out of this jar, and then I will definitely need to purchase another one. So definitely get 2 gels if you all are interested in it, and or if they have a bigger size. So now I'm going to move on to the other parts of my hair and use the same method by using the moisturizing hair mist, then the Everything Butter, and then last but not least, the Perfect Coils Curling Jelly. So the top of my hair is more of a 3B, 3C type curl. So I have to do finger coils in the front just so I can get a nice curl formation. And then I'll separate them and they'll be kind of uniform with the rest of my hair. And this is my 6-year-old son, y'all. He doesn't understand stay out while I'm recording. You know, he has to make his debut. So I did let my hair air dry overnight. I did the banding method just so it can stretch my curls. My hair was still a little damp, so I decided to go ahead and diffuse a little bit, which I did off camera. So once I finished diffusing, I just picked my hair out to my liking and just let my curls do what they want to do, because that's what they're gonna do. So these are my results of my wash and go using the Tailored Beauty products. And honestly, I love these products. Oh my gosh, they work so great with my hair. Yeah, I love these. So I'll definitely be purchasing the shampoo and the conditioner in the regular bottles, because the samples weren't enough for me. But that is a shampoo and conditioner that I would definitely purchase. I usually don't purchase shampoos, maybe conditioners, but definitely not shampoos. I don't purchase those. Yeah, like my hair is very soft, it's moisturized. I did stretch it last night when I went to bed. I did the banding method, and it was still kind of damp when I woke up this morning, so I just decided to kind of diffuse it a little bit just so it won't be as wet when I go out. But yeah, so these are my results, y'all. It's so much body. It's not hard, it's not crunchy, so that gel is definitely get the gel, y'all. Get y'all that gel for real. And yeah, so but thank you guys for tuning in to my channel, and I guess I will see you all in my next video. Until next time, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. And remember to tell all of your family and friends that JazziLoves is on YouTube. Bye, guys.